In a world where some cars barely make it to year 3 without problems, these 7 car brands are built like tanks, lasting 10, 15, even 20 years with proper care. They're not just good for the first owner. They stay strong for the second and third. These brands have been tested, driven hard, and rated highly by real owners and experts alike. And yes, they've earned the seal of approval from Consumer Reports for one reason: reliability that doesn't fade. Let's dive into the first 4 brands that have become the gold standard in lasting performance. Honda. Honda has a long-standing reputation for building bulletproof engines that just don't quit. From the Civic to the Accord and CR-V, their powertrains are engineered for balance, giving you a mix of fuel efficiency, smooth acceleration, and minimal maintenance. Even their hybrid systems are among the most trouble-free in the market. The 2025 lineup features sleek body lines, aggressive LED headlights, and subtle chrome touches that age well. Honda doesn't follow trends. It builds timeless designs that still look fresh after a decade. Inside, Honda keeps things intuitive. You'll find smartly placed controls, soft materials, and visibility-focused layouts. Everything has a function, and even base models now include solid tech, comfortable seating, and excellent cabin noise control. It's simple. You rarely hear Honda owners complain. With consistently high resale value, low repair costs, and engines that outlive expectations, Honda delivers peace of mind. You're not just buying a car, you're buying reliability insurance. But what if you want that same bulletproof reliability with a more futuristic, head-turning style? Let's talk about Hyundai. Hyundai. Hyundai has leveled up its engineering game. Its SmartStream engines and hybrid options offer reliable, fuel-efficient performance without overcomplication. And thanks to fewer recalls in recent years, Hyundai's reputation for long-term quality is well earned. The latest Hyundai designs are bold, modern, and full of character. Angular bodywork, dynamic lighting, and wide stances make cars like the Tucson and Sonata stand out, even in luxury parking lots. Step inside, and you'll find a refined, tech-forward cabin. Digital instrument clusters, ambient lighting, and ultra-quiet ride quality make Hyundai feel far beyond its price tag. It's not just the design or features. Hyundai has proven that affordable doesn't mean cheaply made. Reliability and innovation coexist here. If Hyundai is the stylish overachiever, our next brand is the no-nonsense workhorse, focused on performance, safety, and solid value. Kia. Kia shares its guts with Hyundai, but brings its own touch of excitement. The Telluride, Sorento, and K5 all offer responsive engines, smooth ride quality, and transmission systems built to last. Even their hybrid and e-systems have shown impressive long-term durability. Kia's design language is modern and daring. Think of bold grilles, aggressive taillights, and unique silhouettes that look nothing like the bland old models of the past. They've invested heavily in standing out, and it's working. Inside, Kia delivers top-notch features, even on base trims. Large curved screens, premium materials, and tons of cabin space make you feel like you're in a luxury car without paying for one. Their interiors are consistently ranked as some of the best in class. Combine great design, cutting-edge tech, and excellent long-term reliability, and you get a brand that's earning loyalty fast. And with one of the best warranties in the industry, Kia gives peace of mind few can match. You've seen solid performance from Japan and South Korea, but now, let's bring in a surprise American contender. Buick. Buick has become one of the most dependable U.S. brands, with smooth, low-maintenance powertrains. Whether you drive the Encore GX or Envision, expect comfort-focused performance with very few mechanical issues. Buick's design is subtle but refined. Modern Buicks avoid the flash of other brands. They aim for clean lines, elegant curves, and a luxury light vibe that doesn't scream for attention. They age well, which is a huge plus for long-term owners. Known for quiet rides, Buick cabins offer soft-touch materials, noise-canceling insulation, and intuitive tech interfaces. The premium feel inside makes every commute feel calm and confident, especially compared to other brands at the same price point. Buick ranks among the top American brands for reliability, according to both Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. If you want a smooth ride, upscale features, and long-term dependability without the luxury price, this is your brand. Toyota. Toyota engines are legendary for their bulletproof durability and fuel efficiency. Whether it's the compact Corolla or the rugged Highlander, Toyota's hybrid and gasoline powertrains deliver consistent performance with minimal fuss. Their proven reliability comes from decades of refining every component for long-term use. Toyota's styling is balanced between modern and practical. Bold grilles, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines give it a confident look that isn't overly flashy but definitely attractive. They focus on designs that remain relevant for years without looking dated. Toyota cabins emphasize simplicity and function with durable materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. The interiors are spacious, comfortable, and quiet, with an intuitive layout that minimizes distractions while driving. Quality craftsmanship ensures the cabin feels solid even after years of use. Few brands match Toyota's reputation for reliability and resale value. They build cars that keep running smoothly well beyond 200,000 miles, making them a smart buy for anyone wanting peace of mind and minimal maintenance costs. Now, if you're looking for a blend of luxury and long-lasting quality, you'll want to hear about Lexus. Lexus. Lexus combines Toyota's legendary reliability with refined, powerful engines. Their V6 and hybrid powertrains provide smooth, quiet, and fuel-efficient rides, offering a premium feel without the constant repair headaches typical of many luxury brands. Lexus models like the RX and NX deliver sportiness without sacrificing comfort. Lexus vehicles are bold and aggressive, featuring signature spindle grilles, sharp angular lines, and sleek LED lighting. They exude sophistication and style, turning heads without being ostentatious. The designs have been carefully crafted to age gracefully over time. Inside, Lexus excels with luxurious materials like leather, wood trims, and ambient lighting. Every control is thoughtfully placed, and the seats offer excellent comfort and support for long drives. The cabins are whisper quiet, creating an oasis that blends technology with elegance. Lexus consistently ranks near the top in reliability surveys and owner satisfaction. It proves that you can enjoy premium luxury without the typical pitfalls of high maintenance or expensive repairs. Lexus is a wise choice for anyone wanting both prestige and durability. Finally, if rugged dependability is your priority, don't overlook Subaru. Subaru. Subaru is best known for its robust boxer engines paired with standard all-wheel drive, delivering dependable performance in nearly any condition. Models like the Outback and Forester provide steady power, solid handling, and excellent safety ratings, making them favorites for adventurous drivers. Subaru's durability is proven, with many vehicles surpassing 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Subaru's design focuses on practicality with a hint of rugged charm. High ground clearance, roof rails, and muscular wheel arches give it an outdoorsy look while maintaining modern styling cues. It looks ready to tackle both city streets and mountain trails effortlessly. The interior is built for comfort and utility, with durable materials designed to withstand wear and tear. Controls are straightforward, and spacious cabins accommodate families and gear alike. Subaru also emphasizes safety tech, with advanced driver aids standard on most models. Subaru's unwavering commitment to safety and all-weather capability makes it a top pick for buyers in varied climates. Its reliability combined with versatility means it's ready for anything and built to last for years to come. Those were the 7 car brands you can trust to stand the test of time, backed by Consumer Reports and real-world results. Let's now take a closer look at what Consumer Reports says about these brands and why they earn the highest marks. Consumer Reports consistently ranks these car brands among the most reliable for 2025 to 26, highlighting their outstanding build quality, safety features, and low repair costs. Toyota and Lexus dominate with their proven hybrid technology and durable powertrains, while Subaru's all-wheel drive system and robust engineering make it a top choice for challenging weather conditions. Other brands like Honda, Mazda, and Hyundai also earn high marks for their efficient engines and well-built interiors. Choosing any of these brands means fewer breakdowns, lower maintenance costs, and greater peace of mind, making them smart investments for long-term ownership. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth car reviews, buying guides, and automotive tips every week. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below about your favorite reliable car or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and stay tuned for more.